In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Chime account. Whether you're new to Chime or just need a refresher, I'm here to help make the process smooth and straightforward. First things first, you'll need to access the Chime app or visit the Chime website. You can do this on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once you're ready, open the app or navigate to the website on your browser. Next, look for the login button. On the app, you'll typically find this on the main screen, while on the website, it's usually located in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap or click on Login to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in the email address linked to your Chime account. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any login issues. After that, enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any typos or accidental caps lock. Once you've entered your email and password, Chime might require you to complete a verification step. This could involve a security code sent to your phone or email. It's just an extra layer of security to keep your account safe. So, keep an eye on your notifications and input the code if prompted. After completing any necessary verification steps, tap Sign In, and just like that, you should be in. You're now logged into your Chime account and can access all its features. Whether you want to view your balance, check recent transactions, or manage your account settings, everything should now be at your fingertips. And that's how to log in to your Chime account. With these simple steps, you can access your account quickly and securely. Don't forget, if you encounter any issues, double-check your login details and ensure your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching and happy banking.